At the core of innovation lies the birth of NiTiCo 45, a symbol of machining excellence meticulously crafted for the aerospace, energy, defense, and medical. Engineered to conquer the toughest stainless steels and superalloys with hardness ranging from 36 to 52 HRC, NiTiCo 45 embodies precision and durability from concept to creation. Every step in the production process is carefully planned, ensuring that NiTiCo 45 meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Crafted with care and expertise, NiTiCo 45 undergoes rigorous testing in our state-of-the-art facilities, guaranteeing unmatched reliability. Experience the high-performance series engineered for stainless steel and superalloys with hardness of 36 to 52 HRC. NiTiCo 45,